been like, what is it? A wardrobe. Yep, we're back in IKEA. Back at it again. It's been like a long time ever since I've been inside IKEA. This is huge. Last time it was broken. Yeah, see, look, there's. That's a nice. Oh my god. Yeah, do you guys remember last time when we were here, we had to wear masks? Hey, don't you remember? The last time we were here, they forced us to wear masks.
Yeah.
They forced us.
Would you stop?
Mama, sit at the table.
No, I want to sit at the table. Tiny dishwasher.
Oh, look, on sale. Look, on sale.
Yeah, that's the tiniest dishwasher I think I've ever seen.
Mama, look what's in here.
Even the stove is
Yeah, when I was taking the elevator, there were some two old people asking where do we stuff.
pantry.
We
got our pantry from in here. It's got more
There were
room
some
than
two
ours
old
is.
people that got in the elevator with me. And they were asking like where do we start? So I pointed to G. That's the top level.
I don't know. Water and plants. Zoe, we got a lot more to explore. We can't go down every little crazy. You can. I like this laundry room though.
It's nice.
Oh, look, LG.
All the way down there. When we come back, I wish we had one of these because whenever we came back from school,
Well, and when we get to build the house, we will, Zoe.
it's nice and
Not breaking the washing machine.
I'm not sure what kind of elevator that was, but see Zoe, this is something nice to have in a house.
Mama,
They got a playable kitchen in here too.
oh, Mama, look.
Oh, that's nice right there.
No, it's not. A map of the United States. Or not United States, the world.
Mama, what do you want to eat?
Let's see. United North America, South America,
$80.
North America.
$80.
Africa,
$80.
Australia.
Is that the United North America?
Yeah.
Kids
I just named all of them.
nice TVs. Mama, they have a nice.
United North America.
Modern furniture.
Yeah, that's a nice system.
Oh, look, this one has a record player in it. This one has a record.
IKEA. I sure do like this here IKEA.
Sewing machine.
Aiden, they have something for you.
I like this chair.
It was 2022.
I like this everything.
Oh, a craft.
I think it was February 18, 2022, the last time we were here. Ooh, modern day curtain.
I would want this frame so I can jump and touch it.
Oh, yo, look at this. Hey, Hunter, look at this.
What is this?
It's a,
I think that's for.
Video game crap.
it's just,
Wake up, it's time to sleep.
oh, they have a home. Oh, the bathroom. The toilet.
Look how small the shower is.
Yeah, Hunter, let me just, or Aiden, let me just.
This is
Aiden, let me crank up my stuff.
Okay. Taking a do. Look how
Wait,
small the shower is.
It's an average shower time.
No, it's not. Wait, it's on that toilet
That's a
again.
small ass shower.
Hold on. I
Oops,
pictured
looking
eight
for
of
rest-
somebody sitting on the toilet.
Hey, it's funny, like. Hey, look, it's funny because, oops, looking for restroom, you're almost there. Hey, this is not an actual toilet. It's just display.
Are you sure?
Yeah, look. If
Somebody's probably taking a crap in it.
that's a small ass shower.
Yeah.
That's a,
What?
that's a very small shower. Oh, look, they have a control. They had the Xbox controller in there.
$20 for a size.
Record player. Okay, go.
See, it works. So
Okay,
it's
so.
not everything for kids. It's not even stool, so it's.
When are we gonna go get food?
I don't know.
You want some liquor?
Holy.
Dog bowl or football?
For 24 months, pay a total of $8,583. So. Oh. They got that other elevator over there. I'll go ride that too.
And I was scrolling through TikTok, and then I saw a video said, I found a review in IKEA, and it was like a rat.
Ew.
It was like, no, it wasn't a real rat. It was like pushy rats in a bin. Dear Diary.
Actually, hopefully,
Oh, there's a computer.
it's a computer.
This looks terrible.
Wait, what?
My computer screen don't look right.
Mama, look, look at this fake windows. These fake windows are really good.
Yeah.
Actually, because they're not fake windows. Those are that's the actual outside.
The other ones are real windows. Those fake ones look really good.
But none of this stuff works. Hopefully, you know, SCP-3008 isn't here.
You don't even know what that is.
Yes, I do.
It's the actual store itself, it's not what's
Parker and Zoe.
Okay, now that's good looking.
That's probably a forest, right?
Mm.
It looks like it's synthetic, but it's
Yeah, look, it's so realistic. Oh.
Sit down.
Oops.
Aiden, would you
Close it so they don't want to break their stuff.
Aiden, sit down.
Oh, look, Zoe, there's a fireplace right there.
Get that in there.
Yeah, I heard the.
in your office.
Look at that. So cool. Yeah, I was trying. Yeah, some people actually had to get on too.
It's boring.
Yeah, and some people had to get on too.
What, you need to stay away from
I
it
was
before
I
you
was
get
trying to.
picked
Some
out
people
here.
don't wanted to open out the door. And
Layer of stuff. You don't want a bookshelf.
that one over there has a door hold button on it. I was just using it. Look, no, don't do that.
Look, they have weird candies from Sweden.
There's clothes in there. There's another kitchen. They've got other floors too. Doesn't work. Microwave doesn't work. That's a huge fail.
Choose with you.
At this point, we'll be going like to the back of the store.
Probably over
We got the food and everything. Yep. Alright, it's got all that food in it. sinks and everything, fridges. There's mirror bathrooms.
I need to look at the fridge.
Look inside. Oh, they got mouthwash. They got kids sunscreen. They got a first aid kit in there. I don't need it. Water doesn't work. Look inside. Oh yeah, they have shaving cream in there. Is there something in here? Cotton balls. Modern kid.
It seems like it's fall.
Most of these display furniture is like kitchen or living room
Oh, yeah.
and bathrooms and all that.
Look at that light. Weird looking.
That looks nice.
I'm gonna take a nap right now.
There's a staircase.
What's this?
For my safety,
There's no for your safety.
Staircase.
Bro, this is so thin.
For your safety, though, and so people don't walk up there and fall off. That's where the garbage goes. That's where the-
Oh, this chocolate rock looks good.
What even are these things? Rocks?
Hey, what do you think they are? Candy?
I bet you I can open this. Yep.
Is this for your coffee?
Look inside. Yo, they got plates in there. What?
Go check out that cabinet right next to that little fridge.
In there.
I can tell y'all took the.
peanut.
There's a box. Oh, Mama, look.
It's mostly. We mostly looped around the whole building.
Zoe, come here.
I think back there.
Zoe.
That's what we need, is that little table with drawers and you can set it up. Here, you want
Sushi.
some sushi? Sushi?
Wait, is there? No, there is not. But there's blackberries and strawberries in here. Oh, hey guys, this is a nice view out here. There's a balcony. Oh. What the fuck?
Come here, Zoe. We're gonna go outside of the balcony right here. Look at that skyline and the sunset. Isn't that pretty?
Why could they actually make it like the balcony?
You could just put glass over there.
It's probably
Window
dangerous.
right there, but here's the paper.
Spray bottle.
I think it's supposed to be like this, right? It's supposed to make that noise.
Yeah. Sounds like a horse clomping around.
Zoe, stop.
Wait, look inside. What's in here?
Called running.
Oh, there's clothes in here. Cleaning supplies.
Mom looks like a turd.
I'm
Jimmy.
gonna shower like this. It's gonna flow into the floor.
There should be a drain down there. What kind of...
Get in there and wash your hair.
Wait, look inside, it says. Eye masks.
You're
What?
almost there. Are you looking for restrooms? 'Cause
Who's
you're
looking for
almost there.
restrooms? Yeah, see, that's just in case if someone has to go to the...
You need the stuff in there?
There's no... The toilet doesn't flush.
Maybe like a running floor?
What even are these things?
Outside so you can eat.
Oh yeah, this is outside.
That's the patio.
Now this would be nice to have. What's in here?
Because you're ruining.
Oh, here.
Fell off.
Ew.
guys like to have a macaroon? That is not hot glue down.
Here, Zoe, pretend like you're eating one of those things.
You can't.
Okay, eat the macaroon.
What was it? Hey, no way. Is that? It's a gaming room. Let's sit on the chair. Yo, this is a game room with a piano. Someone cut the wire with that controller. Running a IKEA is trying to advertise their own self. Yo, look at this. Yo, this is cool. $34 for this gaming PC. Yo, look at it. Oh my God! Look, Windows 7. The mouse and everything. This is like this is a gaming room. Pink laptop.
This is a YouTuber setup. Fortnite YouTuber setup. They got their living room in the back. They got
It's
their
an
keyboard.
office space. Hey guys, look, Windows 7.
Hi.
Mama, this is a cute little chair.
Hey, look. 8 times 8 is what?
That's easy.
What, Zoe, what's 8 eights?
64.
How many 8s are 8s?
Look, sit in this chair. Look, sit in this
It's
chair.
64.
Zoe.
It's 64.
Jamie's projects, research documents.
Yeah,
Sit in that chair.
Is there something in this? No, there's not.
One.
Sit in that chair. 10 times 10. 11 times 11.
Oh, was that? Fur rug. Hey guys, look at this rug.
122.
Look inside
Is it
the
122?
printer.
Mama, is it 122?
Hunter, what's 11 times 11?
11 times 11. It's one. It's like one.
No, it's 120. It's 121.
That's what.
There's a bunch of gaming chairs right there.
You want to eat breakfast in bed?
Oh, hey guys, look at that.
Want an IKEA tape measure? We got you.
Mama,
Wait, look inside. It says.
Mama, would you like some clothes?
Look inside. It says.
Let's see.
I have an IKEA.
I got an IKEA tape.
Oh, there's bras in here. And oh, that's a mirror. Oh, that's a mirror.
But you need one.
It's a mirror. That's a. There's a TV in here.
Explore. It's a weird looking light. Oh, it's a speaker.
A speaker.
It's a speaker lamp.
Is there something in here? Is there something in here?
There's a tag that was in it.
Is there something in here? Oh, there's shoes in here. Oh, that is cool. No, that is cool. The lights are active. What are you
I
doing?
was studying.
Why do you put that tape measure back?
Zoe. Well, what does it? You just think there's a roll of.
Please don't tear that up, bro.
A roll
There's
of.
baby clothes in here.
Oh, wait, this is
Why did you pick? Hunter has an
Can you not tear
IQ.
that up? Because I'm actually going to buy it.
They didn't measure the height from the ground.
Hey!
And they make sure.
Hey guys, there's no toilet paper. It's not nothing there either.
It whipped me.
Yeah, see, that's why you don't play with tape measures.
Yeah, I can cut.
Remember, I actually cut
that way.
myself on a tape measure once.
Jimmy! Stop it, Jimmy! Okay, I need to study.
Better life, better sleep, better life. Day. This is modern.
Okay, well, I can't. I don't how many things you put on it right now?
So we
That
just
Band-Aid
cooking-
in the car.
So I don't touch it.
That bed that's he sleeps on is from here. Read that.
How many things are from IKEA?
Mama, hi. Mama.
Read it.
Oh, it's a Luger.
Read it.
Ow.
Read it.
Why this is a Luger?
But read it.
Words.
I can't read. Language.
I'm at IKEA.
So this is a book. What do you mean you got it? This is fine here. You're not funny.
This way to get a good night's sleep. Beds. Holy shit, that is cool. Oh, holy shit, that is cool. What is this? Very cozy. As y'all can see, there's the parking garage out there. Right there, there's the train tracks. Wait, what?
Look at the TV.
That's the door.
Hey, I'm pooping!
Oh, sorry, sir.
Hey!
Sorry.
My balls.
No. These are just display toilets.
Hey, this kid looks exactly like me. Something kind of like that. Oh, this kid looks exactly like me. Stop.
See their clothes.
The doors.
Hey!
Oh, this is nice. Outdoor stuff. It's a closet. It is.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sure I could. Where is the pasta?
Did someone just lock that toilet? Oh, what the hell is that?
It's like a little penis.
No,
It goes in
Get out
and
of
it goes
here.
out.
there's.
Good Lord, this is a tiny bathroom.
They locked the toilet.
Well, why do you keep putting your hands on it?
That one actually has a screw on it.
There's a screw on there.
Okay, what is this for? You
This is small
know what this
ass.
is for?
This is such a
just like a
small ass bathroom.
Mama. Is this what do you know what this is for?
Nope. I don't know what that is.
You know what this thing is for?
What?
Is this like hang stuff from?
Put a mirror on it.
Oh.
I
I think
don't know why it looks
kinda
like
like
that.
push
Somebody
the
was
thing.
before
You
that,
do.
probably.
Bubble bath. Coconut oil lotion.
Skinny body oil.
That's a small ass.
Wash the clothes.
I'm gonna steal it.
Hey, if you. Oh, look, here's a bathroom.
I need to go doo doo.
Nope, you can't do it. You go.
It's looking perfect for you.
Over and lower. Oh, this is. Oh, I like this. This is nice. This is something nice to have underneath the bed. Look inside. What's in here? I can't. Oh, is it? playable kitchen in here. What is this? Everything. I bet there's probably something in here. Yep. Wow, that's a very small ass bed. Window. Look, back there, there's the entrance. Here is the big room. They have a service elevator here.
Don't stop in the middle here.
Duh.
You're the one who stopped. Shit.
Why are you driving like a monkey?
Why are you not?
Not funny, Zoe.
This room is very massive. With the ginormous fans and all that. Yes. I just got finished at IKEA. This room is massive. I don't even know, okay, this room is very massive. With the giant fans and all that.